So in this video, we are going to talk about different types of screwdriver sets. So let's just start with the very basic one. And these screwdriver sets will help you in all electronic work on all type of PCB boards as well. So let's just start with the very basic one. So let me put these one aside and we will discuss it in a moment. So this one is a very basic one and it comes with 30 bits and it's a magnetic screwdriver. So this one is very basic and you can use this screwdriver for almost all the works, and it's around $2 to $3. Then there is this 115 15 kit which has around 100 bits. Over here you can see. So and the best part about this screwdriver set is you can work with this screwdriver on any angle. Let me show you. So you can connect this bit and you can connect other bits over here and you can work with any angle, as you can see. So this is also a good one, and you can also use this one. This one is around $5, right? So this one is an advanced version of this screwdriver. And then there is this screwdriver set. So this screwdriver set will work with all types of phones and PCB of phones. So you can use this screwdriver on phones. So as you can see, this screwdriver has a thin needle and you can use it with deep mounted surfaces as well, right? So this one is also very good. And if you have some higher budget, I would prefer this one. This one is Worx, and this one is a automatic one, right? So let me turn it on, as you can see, and so you can use this one as well. This one is around $40, and it also has 30 bits. So you can use this one as well. So these are some screwdriver sets. So I would prefer, if you are starting on electronic components, if you are new to electronic components, I would suggest that you should use these two ones. These two ones will be enough for you to work on any PCB board. And if you have some little higher budget, I would prefer this one with this screwdriver. So this will work with all types of phones on your iPhone and all types of Androids as well, right? So these are some screwdriver sets. So you can use these screwdriver sets. Thank you.